Hello my dear students. In this video we will learn about subject-verb agreement. If a subject is singular in a sentence, our verb is also singular. Note that we are talking about helping verbs here. If a subject is plural in a sentence, our helping verb is plural. Let's take example. Subject is singular, I am dancing. I am writing. I is singular. So we are using am with it, which is singular. So subject is singular, helping verb is singular. If it is in past tense, I will say I was writing. Again, I singular. We are using helping verb which is singular. He. If I say he or I write any name here, Ram or he is going. See, I am using is. I am not using he are going. He is going because he is singular. So, singular helping verb is used. Or she is going. It is barking. For example, it we are considering a dog here. So, it is barking. With he, she, it, all these three are singular subjects. We are using is in the present tense and was in the past tense with them, as we use singular helping verbs with singular subjects. Coming to plural, if I say we are writing, we is here plural subject. So I am saying are writing. If I will say we is writing will be wrong. We is the subject and we is plural. So are writing in the present tense and were writing in the past tense. You is considered as a plural subject. So with you also, you are writing in the present tense, or we will use were in the past tense. They is again plural. So with they, we will use plural helping verb are in present and were in past tense. Let us see now the use of has and have. With I, we use have. Otherwise, have is used with plural subjects and has is used with singular subjects. But here, I is an exception. We use have with I. I have done my work. And with all the other singular subjects like he, she and it, we use has. He has done his work. She has done her work. It has stopped barking. With we, you and they, all these three are the plural subjects. So plural helping verb have will be used. Dear students, now let us understand about some other points of subject-verb agreement. If in a sentence there are two nouns or pronouns which are joined by and, we consider them as plural subjects and plural helping verbs are used with them, like are for the present tense, were for the past tense and have for the present tense. When we are talking about collective nouns, we consider collective nouns as singular subject. So singular helping verbs are used. Is, was and has. Is and has for the present and was for the past. And if we are talking about liter, kg, meter, hour or rupees, we use singular helping verbs. For example, if example of liter, 5 liters of petrol is left in the car. Kilos or kgs, kilograms, 2 kilos of sugar is enough for them. 3 meters of cloth is needed for this dress. Is needed. Pay attention on the helping verb which I am using. 4 hours is a long time to complete this task. Is a long time. 50 rupees is enough money for you. So while we use all these liters, kilograms, meters, hours and rupees, we use singular helping verbs with them. With collective nouns, we use singular helping verbs because they are considered as a singular subject. And when two nouns and pronouns are joined together with and, they are considered as plural subjects and plural helping verbs are used with them.